And what is the worry? This house will remain anyway. Return to the concepts of your mind. If you do not find any sky of determinations, returns to thoughts. If you do not find any glimpse of meditations, if you do not find any facility or clue to become a claim, then become restless. What is the problem? You have seen many days by being restless. No peace was found by unrest. Buddha says, I to tell you about a window. Take a look here as well. Search is necessary. Buddha gives you a discovery, not faith. Understand this a little. Buddha gave you the doubts on your life, not faith on the life of God. These two are the same things. If you doubt yourself, then faith on God comes. If faith on God comes, then doubt on yourself comes. If you have a lot of faith on your ego, then you will not have a faith on God. If you think yourself to be a very intelligent, then you cannot have a faith in any salvations. Any soul, you have considered your knowledge to be the last limits, then there is no room for expansions and no scope. You cannot accept knowing more because you cannot accept that there is something that you do not know. The one who has such blind faith in himself is the one who cannot trust God. The one who has considered this so-called life as a life. If the one who becomes incapable of moving towards the great life, he becomes a crippled. So there are two ways except Buddha. All other enlightenment peoples are used faith in God. Buddha are used a doubt towards your life. The things in the same. Someone said the glasses in half full. Someone said the glasses in half empty. Buddha said the glasses is half empty because you are empty. You will not be able to understand the full of right now. And if you understand that the half the glass is empty, then soon you will start coming closer to the half full glass. It will be wrong to tell you that the half the glass is full because you are living in emptiness. You know about the negations. You know about the emptiness. You have no idea about completelessness. That is why the Buddha made the void of scriptures. Buddha saw you, saw your illness, diagnosed your pulse. That is why no one can be a more effective than Buddha, because there was no difficulty in understanding the Buddha is the human mind. Buddha is very straightforward. It is not that there is no complexity in life. Life is very complicated, but Buddha is very straightforward. Understand, it is like this. If you ask Kabir or Mahavir or Krishna, they will take about that place so far away that you cannot see it near. How will you see that far away? So there is only one solution. Either you deny it which is more honest. That is why the atheists are more honest than believers. And or you cannot see it, but you accept it, because when Mahavir can see it, it is must be there. So you also start feeling yourself within it, and you say that yes, I can also see it.